Hello, my dear children. Welcome back to your online class. This is your subject teacher of English from LPM Public School situated Golabachar, Gorakhpur. Student, today we are going to begin poem which is given in your new Champs English Reader book. So student, let's start the reading of this poem and after that I will explain this poem to you. Okay, so now here is the poem. The title of this poem is When Flower Wake Each Morning. What the title of this poem? When Flower Wake Each Morning. Okay, so let's learn about the poem. So student, in this poem the poet is trying to compare human with the plants and he wished to become a plant. So let's start the poem. So here is the first line. When the flowers wake each morning, they don't have to make their beds, and lettuce leaves are not told to comb the hair upon their heads. Okay, and next line is you'd never tell asparagus it shouldn't play with spears. You'd never ask a stall of corn to wash behind its ears. Next line. A mushroom doesn't have to clean its room, and you will agree a tree won't have to study hard to learn geometry. And last, I guess it should be obvious. I guess it should be obvious from listening to my rant. I am tired of being a person. I would rather be a plant. Okay, student. So this poem is written by Ken Nesbitt. Okay, Ken Nesbitt. So let's start the poem. Reading one more time. So here is the first is when flowers wake each morning they don't have to make their beds and lettuce leaves are not told to comb the hair upon their heads. Next you would never tell asparagus it shouldn't play with spears. You'd never ask a stalk of corn to wash behind its ears. A mushroom doesn't have to clean its room, and you'll agree a tree won't have to study hard to learn geometry. And I guess it should be obvious from listening to my rant. I am tired of being a person. I would rather be a plant. Okay, student. So now I'm going to explain one by one. This is stanza. So student, in the first stanza there is a poem. When flowers wake each morning they don't have to make their beds, and lettuce leaves are not told to comb the hair upon their heads. So in the first stanza the poet compares humans with plants and says that humans have some responsibility. They have daily responsibility. They have to wake up, they have to make their beds, and they have to comb their hair. They need to clean their room and to studies, and even they told what they have to do and what they have to not do. Okay, so students, here are all the men are know their responsibility, but why are the flowers not told every day's flower also wake up, but they don't need to make their beds, and lettuce leaves don't tell to comb their hair. Okay, so now come to the next line. Next line is you'd never tell asparagus it shouldn't play with spear. You never ask a stalk of corn to wash behind its ears. So in this line, what is asparagus? It is a vegetable, and here spears means, here is the word asparagus and spear. So the meaning of asparagus is a vegetable and spears means we know that spears means weapon. Okay, so in this line the poet is saying that we are always told that don't play with sharp objects or the objects which harm us, but why asparagus is never told to do this, and you have seen that any Anybody never instruct to the plants to clean their ears. So, but we are always to do this. Okay. So now come to the next in third stanza. In third stanza, there is a line: a mushroom doesn't have to clean its room, and you will agree a tree won't have to study hard to learn geometry. Okay, geometry. So the in this third stanza, the poet saying that the poet compare himself with the mushroom. He says that mushroom has a room. In the word of mushroom, you can see there is a word room. Okay, a mushroom has a room word in it, but it don't have room. But humans have rooms, and we need to clean it. Even plants are free. They don't have to study and learn hard geometry, or even they don't not clean their room. But humans are, this is the responsibility for the humans to clean their rooms. Okay, so now come to the next. In number fourth, there is a fourth stanza. I guess it should be obvious from listening to my rant. I am tired of being a person. I would rather be a plant. Okay, so now this is the last stanza of this poem, and in the last stanza, the poet says that it is very clear from a long speech that he tired being a human, because the poet is not satisfied with their lives. He said that there is a many responsibility for the every human to clean their room and always makes their bed, and it is the all the activities they doesn't want to do. So in the fourth stanza, now the finally last stanza, after the long speech that he tired begin being a human and such responsibilities, so that the poet want to enjoy his life without any responsibility, so he wants to be a plant. Okay, the poet at the last, the poet wants to be a plant, that there is no responsibility for the plant to do any work. Okay, they doesn't make their room, they doesn't clean their ears, so the poet also want to be a plant. Okay students, so I hope the concept of the poem is clear. So in this poem you have to learn about the all the freedom of flowers. Okay, they don't have any responsibility to do their work. They always free for what they want to do. They have to do this. But there is a human are always do their responsibility. So the poet wants to be a plant. Okay, he is being very tired, so he wants to be free from the responsibility of the human life. So student, you have to learn this poem. Okay, so now one more time we going to read this poem. So now you all again read this poem with me. So when flowers wake each morning, they don't have to make their beds, and lettuce leaves are not told to comb their hair upon their heads. Okay, comb the hair upon their heads. After that, the second line is, you'd never tell asparagus it shouldn't play with spears. You'd never ask a stalk of corn to wash behind its ears. And next, third is, a mushroom doesn't have to clean its room, and you'll agree a tree won't have to study hard to learn geometry. Okay, next, at last, I guess it should be obvious from listening to my rant. I am tired of being a person. I wouldn't rather be a plant. Okay student, so I hope this poem will be clear to you. The concept of this poem is clear, and student, you have to also learn this poem. Okay, so till then, take care, stay safe, stay healthy, and keep practice of this poem, and also feel the message of the poet that he wants to tell to everyone, that there is no responsibility for the flowers. They are free from every responsibility, but a human is always a part of their responsibility. Okay, so student, you have to keep practice of your study. Thank you.